Hello, I'm Cynthia, and I'm the indoor outdoor gardener. Um, I'm taking a little time off from doing some videos for my channel to address an issue. And I'm going to be doing a series on how to renovate your YouTube channel. Um, and the reason why I'm doing it is I've been doing a lot of networking and going to people's YouTube channels, and I either found that they didn't have any YouTube channel art, or they didn't have thumbnails, or they didn't have any content on their home page. And usually when you start a YouTube channel, YouTube has on your home page video uploads that you have done. And it seems to me that people have been removing that from their front page. And what happens when you go to the home page, if, like, for example, I'm going to a home page and it doesn't have any content on it, and it'll say, this channel doesn't have any content. Well, what I do is I click on the next tab over, which is videos, and then I find that they have all these videos. Well, the average person that goes to your channel, if they go to your channel and they don't see any content, they're just gonna leave. So part of the series on how to renovate your YouTube channel is going to cover what to do with that home page, and also how to create YouTube channel art, how to create YouTube thumbnails. And also I'm going to be addressing how to network properly. I've been going to some live streams for networking and growth, and I have found that there's a lot of people that just don't know how to do it the right way. So I'm going to be covering that issue as well. I'm also going to be covering how to do SEO, search engine optimization. That's very important for you to get other eyes other than your subscribers to see your video content. That's really, really important, because those people that come to your channel that are not subscribers, they might just love your content and want to subscribe. And basically that's how you're going to be able to grow, and you're going to be able to get more eyes on your videos. So, okay, so that's what I decided to do. Once I complete this series, I'm going to have a playlist on my home page that you can go and go through the videos, whenever you have a chance. But I think it's very important. So that's what this series is all about. So in the first video, I'm going to be covering how to create channel art. So I'll see you there.